Good morning children and welcome back to online class. Okay, in the previous class we studied our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, forms of matter, solid, liquid and gases. And we had also discussed about the matters and form. Today we are going to start with the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Okay children, are you ready? Okay, let us start. First of all, properties of properties of solids. Solids have the following properties. Okay, solids have the following properties. Number 1, they do not have definite shape and size. Solid have a definite shape and size. Solid means what? All the things that we see around us, which we can touch, which you can feel, which you can pick up. Okay, all those are solid, which have a definite shape and size. Okay children, alright. Next, point number 2, they do not change shape when they are moved from one container to another. When we move one container to another, that solid particle is not changed, is never changed. Alright. Point number 1 says that they have a definite shape and size. Point number 2, they do not change the shape when they are moved from one container to the another. Point number 3, they do not flow. Solid will never flow. Alright children, solid will never flow like a liquid. Solid will always be solid form only where they have a definite shape and size. When we move any object from one place to another, does its size changes? No. Does its shape changes? No. That means what? They have a definite shape and size. They do not change their shape when they are moved from one container to the another container. Next, they do not flow. Alright children, these are the properties of solids. Some examples of solids are pen, a book, a table and a car are the examples of solids. All the things that we see around us are solid. Okay, the pen, the book, the table, a car, these all are the examples of solid. Okay, now let us move on to the properties of liquids. Liquids have the following properties. Point number 1, they do not have a definite shape and size. Okay, they do not have a definite shape and size, but they take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Like water, when we put the water in a bottle, the bottle is shaped. Okay, the liquid, the milk is shaped in a bottle shape. Now we see some jellies, jellies in the shop. We eat jellies. You all are eating jelly, from the shop. That some are buying what? Aeroplanes, some are buying car jellies, no. So that jelly which is present there, that is also a liquid. Now that liquid, when it is kept in that aeroplane or a car or a bottle, something, whatever it is, that jelly being a liquid is taking the shape of that aeroplane or a car or a bottle, etc, etc, etc. Yes or no? So what it means that? It means that the liquid, it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Okay. Point number 3, liquids flow easily. Liquids flow easily. Now when we throw water, it goes here to there. Yes or no? And they are always flowing. Wherever it is slope, wherever they get the slope, they are always flowing and flowing. Okay. So this is your properties of liquid. Some examples are water, milk and juice are the examples of liquid. Now the examples of liquids are what? Water, milk and juice. These are the examples of liquids. Now the properties of gases. Properties of gases. Gases have the following properties. They do not have a definite shape of their own. They fill up all the space available in the container. Now example, I'll give you one balloon. When we take a balloon, it is not blown. Okay, it is just simple. It is hanging like anything. Okay. Now when we put a gas inside it, it takes a big shape. That means that balloon is containing what? Gas, which is giving some space to that balloon. Okay. So this means that they fill up all the space available in the container. Okay. Now gases flow from one place to another very easily. Like example, I'll give you air. air, we can see, no, we cannot see, we can feel the air around us. Yes or no? They can flow very easily from one place to another. Most gases cannot be seen. Not only most, okay, not every, but most gases cannot be seen. Okay, we can just feel it. Alright. Air is a mixture of gases. It can be blown into a balloon. Air is a mixture of gases. All the different gases, they mix together to form what? Air. Okay, and it can be blown into a balloon also. Example I have already given you. Okay. Now, here are some questions. Write S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas for the following. This you will do by yourself. It is very easy. Still, I'll help you out right now. Number 1, apple. What do you think? What is an apple? Solid, liquid, or gas? Apple is a solid. Box, solid. Perfume which we put in our body and all. Yes or no? Perfume. What do you think? What is it? Liquid or is gas? Liquid or a gas? Some are liquid, some are gas. Both. We can write in both. Liquid and gas. Okay. Next, sofa. Sofa is a solid. Juice. It is a liquid. Milk. Liquid. Oil. Liquid. Clock. It is a solid. Smell of a food. Smell of a food. That is a gas. Okay. Potato. It is also a solid. Alright children. So do this question as your homework. Okay. Now let us continue with a new topic, that is matter and its use. How we can use these different matters in our day-to-day life. Like, matters have different roles in our daily life. We use different kinds of things, both natural and man-made, every day. Yes, we use the things, different kinds of things every day. May it be natural or may it be man-made. Okay. Let us have a look at a few examples. Number 1. We use various solids such as chair, comb, books, utensils and stationery items daily, every day. Yes, we use them like chairs, comb, book, utensils and stationery items. We use them daily. Next, water is the most important liquid needed by us. Yes, we use that water, which is very essential for our life. Okay, we use it for drinking, cooking food, cleaning and also for other household tasks. Liquids such as petrol and diesel are used to run the vehicles. These are also the liquids which are very important for running the vehicle. Okay, the air around us is a mixture of gases. The living thing use oxygen present in the air for breathing. Carbon dioxide is used by the plants to make their food, and these all are what? Your gases. Okay, air is used to inflate balloons, means to blow the balloons. Tires and footballs, which we play the footballs, we need air inside them also to play. Now tires, if there is no air, we cannot run them properly in the road. Yes or no? So these all are the useful matters which we use in our day-to-day life for our benefits. Okay, therefore we are dependent upon all the forms of matter. That is, some more examples are shown below. Now, example, you can see tree. It is also a natural solid which we get all the food items, fruits, vegetables and all for our livelihood. Then cup, that is also a solid. Tea, which we eat, tea, that is a liquid. Juice, that is a liquid. Football, inside football there is air. Okay. Bus, it is a solid. Then parachute, it is also a solid as well as gas, because it is run by what? Gas. Alright. Okay. So children, by this we are completing our chapter number 7. Okay children, so in the next class I'll be giving you the question answers so that we are able to complete our chapter. Okay, and move on with our new chapter. Okay children, thank you. Till then, have a good day.